Hi, let's continue. This time, let's talk about selecting ranges from contiguous, non-contiguous, and name a range. There are ways on how we can select a range. We either use the mouse, the keyboard, or a combination of the mouse and the keyboard. And let me also introduce the mouse pointers that we have. We have the arrow, we have the double-headed arrow, we have the four-headed arrow, and we have the black plus. And this is what we call as a big white plus. And this is what we're going to use in selecting ranges. All we need to do is click and hold. Let's try again. Okay, and that is for the contiguous. Selecting the whole cell is what we call as contiguous selecting of range. Now let's try the non-contiguous. How are we going to do it? Simply use your mouse, this big white plus, select, and let's select another range. Let's use the keyboard. Click or press on the control key and drag it here. So if you notice, it's highlighted, but it's very faint. It might not be very visible on your end. But the other way to look at this is look at the columns. Columns B, C, D, and E are highlighted, and rows 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we can add the formulas or the change that we want to implement. Let's say we'll add currency. Double click, so we'll adjust the width. There you go. All right. Now let's try to name a range. For example, we have a discount of 15%. And we want to make sure that C8, cell C8 will have the name discount in in the name box. So what we're going to do is go to the name box and change the name from C8 to discount. Press enter. Now the name for this is discount. When we're looking for example, this it's pointing to a different cell. We can go to the name box and go back to the discount, and that is the discount of 15%. We can also edit the name by going to the Formulas tab, go to Name Manager, click on the selected cell, and then edit. Okay, let's edit. Let's change the name from discount to commission. Okay, and then close. Now, if you look at the name box, before it was discount, now it's commission. We can also remove it or delete it. Again, go back to the Name Manager under Formulas tab, highlight it, and delete. Are you sure you want to delete this? Is the prompt. Okay, then close. That's it. Hope you learned something today.